Hands up. Booty around. Back, up, down. This is just chill. This is practice. Again, booty back. Take it up. Sink down, you sexy girl. Or boy. Or non-binary person. Again. Up. Ooh. All right, we're going on a trip, if you know what I mean. Oh God, it's getting blurry. The floor is turning into a wall of flowers. Take that arm up. Now. Jump in, out, woo. Other side. Jump in. To the side, go, single, all round. Hallucinate arms. Step to the side. Wipe that concealer out of your eyes. Brush that hair back. And get ready to send that booty around. Counterclockwise.
Put you in my Hall of Fame, middle of the wall. Yeah, you're my one, my favorite, my ride or die.
Two more times.
I love you like a fool. Breathe you until I hallucinate.
Go on a trip. Oh, I'm not sure where we got this stuff from, guys. I don't know what we're gonna see. Hopefully the finish line.
Hallucinate when you call my name. Got stars in my eyes, and they don't fade when you come my way.
Lose your mind. Arms. You're getting very sleepy. Guys, I may be hallucinating, but I think there's a giant bag of whole coffee beans in front of us. Let's grind them. I want them extra fine. Woo! Jump in! Let's go!
Hope you liked this video. If you did, click right here to watch the official video and click right here for 60-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week and they never expire.